Hey guys, it's Susan from Tamagems. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a great day. So far, so good over this way. I want to make a necklace for you. This necklace is so beautiful. I'm using fall colors. I've got the green. I've got like a yellowish amber color. I've got red. And I'm using gold. This is so pretty. This is an easy necklace to put on and off. And if you need something in a pinch and you're like in a rush to leave, just throw this on. There's no clasp, goes right over your head. So pretty. And I want to show you how to make this. You are going to need some supplies. We'll have round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and flush cutters. And for the gemstones, I'm using mookite jasper, which is like a red burgundy swirled through it. You see, that's so pretty, huh? And burgundy is a hot color this fall, so I'm trying to pick some fall colors. This one's got some white in it with the burgundy, and this one has some yellow with burgundy. So I thought that that would be a good match with the green faceted jasper, which is also a nice color for fall. This is also jasper, and this is in a rectangular shape. Really pretty. And then I've got Super 7 gemstones, which is a long oval shape, drilled from top to bottom. And then for the links, we're going to use these gold oval chain links with some little connectors. And to wrap our gemstones, we're going to need some wire. So I'm using the 22 gauge Beaded in a gold color. What I need to do first is I need to cut some wire. So I'm going to cut about 1.5 to 2 inches of wire for as many gemstones as I'm using. So if you want a longer length necklace, then you're going to add more gemstones. If you want a shorter length necklace, then you don't need as many gemstones. I want a necklace that's going to fit over my head without a clasp. So let's see what the length will be as we start making our gemstones. And of course, when you're going to make this into a simple loop and this one, you'll need a little bit more cut wire. So I'll probably need about 2.5 for those. So let me show you how to make the loop. It's going to be the same way on each gemstone. We're going to make it the same way. So let me show you. I'm going to let me move this aside so the camera can focus. I'm going to take a piece of wire, and at the end, I'm going to bend it to the back like that. So I have a 90-degree angle. Then I'm going to come in with my round nose pliers, hang on to this, and roll it towards me like that until we can get a loop that touches. Then I'm going to put on my gemstone. So I've got one loop at the bottom. I'm going to do the same for this top. I'm going to bend it to the back a little bit more, get a good angle, cut, and I put my finger in between. This gives me about a centimeter of space that I'm going to cut, and I'm going to roll it towards me until my loop touches like this. If my loop is a little crooked, I just use my chain nose pliers and bend it until I have a straighter loop. I can do that on this side too. So I have straighter loops. And if you have a little bit of space in between your loops, come back in with your round nose pliers and push it together. Okay, I'm going to bring the camera down and I'm going to do a few more for you, and then I'm going to finish the rest off and then we can connect it. So I'm going to bring the wire to the back, come in with my round nose pliers, and roll it towards me. I'm trying to do this on camera so there we go. Okay, so we've got a simple loop. Now I'm going to use my Super 7. Go straight through. Make another simple loop at the top. Bend the wire back. Cut. Go ahead and roll back towards me. Until I have my loop. Okay, let's do one more. We'll do this one, the larger one. Wire to the back. Roll towards me. Just bring in my rectangle Jasper. Same way, wire to the back. Now I've got to cut it, so I have about 1 centimeter. Using my finger as the guide. Cut. And then roll. Okay, I've got these 3 done. Now I'm going to finish these off and I'll meet you back here. Okay, I've got everything wrapped. So let's put this aside and let's work on our connectors. So starting from the top of the necklace, I'm going to connect the rings together at the top. So let me show you how to do that. I'm going to take a ring, put it through my connector like that, and then I'm going to pinch it down with my chain nose pliers. Okay. And then press like that. So it's closed. And then we'll take the other link, put that here, and do the same thing. Just press it down to close it. Okay, so this is the top. And now I'm going to connect this and this together. Do the same way. Put in our connector. Using our chain nose pliers and pushing it down. Connect it and push it down. Okay, let me connect these 2 together. This is really simple, a simple necklace to make. So if you need a necklace to slip over your head as you're going out and you're wearing fall colors, this would make the perfect necklace for you. Something simple, something easy. Okay, so that's the top of our necklace. 2 of the faceted Jasper in, and I need 2 more connectors, and we're going to connect these together with the links. Go ahead and put on my link, press it down, I'm going to hang on my Jasper and press that down. Do the same for the other side. Connect and press down. Connect. Okay, to this I'm going to add 2 more links, and I'm going to do it the same way. Okay, that looks nice. So far, so good. Now I'm going to bring in a Super 7, and I'm going to bring in a rectangle because I want to break up the design. The same way, we're going to use our links to connect. I'm going to add a few more different kind of beads. I've got my moonstone and I've got my mookite. It's looking pretty good. So far, so good. Then I'm going to put in my green Jasper. These are little rondelles, so I'm going to add those with the links. Okay, to this I'm going to add links with my connectors. My links, I'm going to add my green Jasper and my mookite. I'm going to add my Super 7 gemstone plus my Jasper, and I want to make sure that I'm doing alternate sides. So since this is on the right, I'm going to put this one on the left. The same with this. This is on the left. I'm going to put this one on the right. Now I'm going to add 2 more links to the bottom of these. Do the same for the other side. Connect my link. I'm I'm going to add 2 more links. 2 more links. And to the last 2 links, I'm going to add a larger stone to finish it off. So let's add that connector. Connect my link. And connect my stone. This necklace is so pretty. So let's just do a recap of what we did. We've connected 4 links at the top with connectors. This is going to go in the back of our neck. Then we've come down and we've added our green jasper. We've connected 2 more links. We've got our rectangular stone, our jasper here, Super 7 on the other side. We've got mookite and a green rondell, the same jasper as this one and this one. Then we've got a little white moonstone with our green rondell. Coming down, we've got our links, another faceted green jasper with our rectangular jasper. Then we've got another mookite and a Super 7. We've got our 2 links, mookite, our green rondell, and then 2 links, and to finish off the ending, we're putting a larger faceted green jasper. This necklace measures, I just measured it out, it's 26 inches, so it's long enough to fit over your neck. So let me show you what it looks like on. I'm going to put it on for you. I hope this video is helpful and useful for you in your jewelry making process, and I hope you will give this a try because it is so beautiful on. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.